Bryce, what are you doing? Can you say, hi, Daddy, I miss you?
Hi, Daddy, I miss you.
Are you cutting up your Dora bites? What are you doing, silly girl? Can you say, hi, Daddy, I miss you?
Hi, Daddy, I miss you.
Look at the camera and say, hi, Daddy, I miss you.
Hi, Daddy, I miss you.
Say, come home soon.
Come home soon.
Where is Daddy, Bryce?
He's in China.
Is he in China? How did he get there? Did Daddy fly on an airplane? Did he cry? Did you cry when he went on the airport?
I cried on the airport.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's okay.
Okay, say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Look at the camera and say bye-bye, Daddy.